Okay, so I'm getting ready to make a water weight for my balloon centerpiece. You can use water or you can use sand. So I'm going to use water today, and I'll show you how you can create this using your faucet in your home. So I'm going to double stuff this balloon so that it's more durable, so that if one of these balloons pop, there's not a disaster, meaning there'll be water everywhere. So I'm using a balloon straw. You can use chopsticks. So simply inserting, this is a 5-inch round balloon. I'm inserting the first balloon on the balloon straw, and then I'm going to insert that into the other 5-inch round balloon. Okay? Easy peasy. Then remove the straw. Okay, now this is where it becomes interesting. I've done this many times, and I've created like a water fight with myself. So make sure you put this on the faucet very well. So you really have to stretch it. Okay, put it on your faucet and pull up. Okay, and it's on there. Straighten out your balloon, and then turn your water on. Okay. And that's about all we'll need. We probably don't even need that much. I'll probably let some out. Now pinch the balloon before you take it off the nozzle. Okay? I'm going to let a little bit out, because I don't really need that much. And I'm going to squeeze that down, all the air down, so that it's nice and round. And then I'm going to tie it. This is when I have a water fight, because my hands are wet. I sometimes lose it and water goes everywhere. Okay, and then I pull it tight. And then you have yourself a water weight. And I just simply dry it off, so it's easier for me to work with. And there you go. You have yourself a water weight.